Sprout Social tutorial. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Sprout Social and take your social media game to the next level. So first of all, what is Sprout Social? Sprout Social actually helps you manage multiple social media channels. So if you are a business or if you're an agency and you are managing multiple channels on multiple different platforms, social media platforms, then this is a great asset to you. Why is it that you would need something like this though? Well, it makes it a lot easier to manage everything in one place rather than jumping around from platform to platform, signing in and out of accounts, so you can manage everything at the same time. So we're going to go through the interface. I'm going to show you a couple of the very cool features. I'm going to show you how you can create a post directly from Sprout Social. We're also going to have a look at some of the pricing plans because that is important depending on if you are an individual or an agency, and then we can have a look at some of the other settings that they offer. So ladies and gentlemen, let us jump straight in. So first of all, having a look at the interface, on the left hand side here you have a menu which you can go down. You have your dashboard. Your dashboard shows you everything about your account. You have all of your activity, including what you've posted today and all of the rest of your recent posts. You can jump straight to your inbox right over here, and you can see here there's some profile integrations. You can also access some of your account details straight from here without actually going into your settings. So on the left hand side on that toolbar you have your smart inbox. Your smart inbox basically is where you manage all of your communications, all of your posts, and everything else that you will do on Sprout Social. So you can see here all of your messages. You can now also filter it down to private, completed, saved, and a bunch of other messages over here. So this is the page, and this is where all your messages or your posts will be posted. And you can see now you can change the source. So if you have more than one social media platform in here, that's where you will change it. And then also you can change the message type. So if it's either comments or mentions, you can have only that specific displayed right over there. You can also then access your different cases or tasks on the left hand side, and you can also have a look at all your different feeds. So over here, once you tap on feeds, I have only got my LinkedIn feed, but over here you can now connect your Twitter feed, and you can also connect your Instagram and your RSS reader as well. Going down again, you have all of your publishing tools, and right over here what you can use this tab for is publishing your posts and scheduling your posts on different days. So you can see here you can schedule a post. It gives you the opportunity to either schedule an existing post or you can add a completely new post right over there. Also, you have a listening feature. Sprout Social has introduced this only recently. And it says over here you can leverage your social media data for smarter business decisions. I think this is a great feature. And if you know what your customers or your clients or even your audience is actually wanting, then you will know what to give them, and that will enhance your business. You also have all of your reports and your statistics over here, and then you can manage all the people that are on your team. And at the bottom you have all your reviews. So if you have a page that has a business and you have reviews on that page, you can view everything right over there. Moving over to the right hand side here, you can compose a new post. You can also manage your notifications, your team conversations. You can also manage all your shared links as well as your integrations. You can now connect profiles right over here on the right hand side if you have more than one profile per social media account, and here you can invite a team member. Now if you have more than one person working within your agency or working underneath you, this is how you can invite them to this platform under your account, and they can manage and see the exact same things that you can see. And then we just have simple things like the resource center and the keyboard shortcut. So if you go up to the top of the screen on the right hand side, we're going to click on compose, and this is where you will actually create a post. Now in the top you can see it says LinkedIn, and it's the In Essence Photography and Videography. That is the company page, and if you have more than one page you can actually change that from where you're posting right up over here at the top. Now, of course, I only have the one page, so this is by default the one that it will select. Over here, you can create your post. You can say whatever it is that you need to, and then you have publishing workflows, which basically allow you to create workflows. So if you're doing one thing, then something else is then happening thereafter. So I have not created a workflow, so therefore I'm not able to actually make this post or include it into a workflow. Then you have your Sprout tags. Here you can add labels, you can use it to organize or to filter and report on different content in Sprout Social. And as you go down here, you can then also add a campaign, and this allows you to track and report on your social media marketing campaigns with the campaign planner and your notes and a few other integrations. So the next step over here says when to post. So you can now post specific days and times. You can auto schedule with your Sprout queue, and then you can do it immediately, which means it will be posted when you click the send button. My suggestion is always posting at a time when your audience is awake, available, and actually online. That means you can get better interaction and you can work with having more people see your post. So now we're going to go over to the pricing plan page. So as you can see here, they have three basic plans: the standard, professional, and advanced. And they also give you a summary if you're paying annually, or if you're paying monthly, you can then just choose whichever payment method you are more comfortable with. So you can now have a look at what they offer. It does include one user for all of the packages. You get up to 5 social profiles on the standard at $249 a month, and all of the other packages you get unlimited social profile. So if you are an agency, something like this would be better for you because you get unlimited social profiles and you also get a few other things. If you go down over here, you can now see that the professional features include competitive reporting, custom approval workflows, message tagging, and some of the things that it does not include, such as optimized send times, trend analysis, paid performance, and so forth. Having a look at the standard features, it does allow all-in-one social inboxing, cross-network publishing, profile and post level reporting, and then a few of the other things, such as message cases, real-time brand monitoring, paid promotion tools, and a few more add-ons. So you can also click on compare their plans, and you can customize that plan to suit your specific needs. So now we're going to jump into the personal settings or the profile settings. So if you go all the way down to the bottom, you will see that there is an icon, and you now get the few options here. You get settings. Now once you go into settings, you will have something that looks like this. So under your personal settings on the left hand side, you will see that there is a vast variety of settings that you can change here to really make the platform work for you instead of you working for the platform. So you have company permissions, app preferences, feature permissions, and the list goes on. You have quite a bit of options that you can change here. So the idea really is to go in here, spend some time, and change all of the settings to customize your experience. Then you also have account settings, billing and plans. You have security, groups, and social profiles. And then you also can manage all your team members straight from here. You also have a few other options, and let me tell you something, they are not short on settings and options. As you can see on the left hand side, you have a long list of things that you can choose from to really make your experience on Sprout Social really unique and specialized to your needs. Then one of the other things you can do is, if you tap on that user icon on the bottom left hand side, you can go to mobile apps and utilities, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. Now this page over here allows you to install a Chrome extension, which makes your life a whole lot easier when using Sprout Social. And one of the nice things is that you can download the mobile app. I know that a lot of social media management platforms are not allowing you to do what you need to do on the go with a mobile app, and I think this is an absolutely fantastic integration. It makes your life so much easier. And it means that you can do what you need to do on Sprout Social on the go without having to open up your laptop or switch your computer on. Over here, you can see again there are the keyboard shortcuts, which I showed you earlier on. The hotkeys on the right hand side. And there we go, going through Sprout Social with so many options, so much to do here. It really is an asset to any person who is managing one or even more than one social media account. And if you're an agency, even better. You've got such great price plans over here, and you can really customize them to suit your needs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget that you can hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.